Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zoya Anaka and Leslie. I'm going to do a water marble. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is Zoya Leslie. Oh, look at that blue-green shimmer. Love this one. So I'm going to go in and do a coat of Leslie. And this is such a unusual polish. It's a really light pinky purple with an insane amount of shimmer. I mean, I don't hear this polish talked about enough. I'm telling you, it's just stunning. And it's got that really good formula. I'm going to cap that free edge real quick. There we go. I have to get Woody out here. Hi Woody, how you doing? There we go. I am going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Sorry it's a little blurry. I'm only going to be doing this for a second though, so hopefully we can get through it quick. Having that free edge. And once this is dry, I applied my liquid latex, and I'll be using Leslie and Zoya's Anaka. I think that's how it's pronounced. A-N-A-K-A, Anaka. So I start off by building my bullseye. I put my first drop in, and I normally run the toothpick around the cut, but it spread all the way to the edge, so I didn't have to. And you just alternate drops of each polish until you get your bullseye built up as big as you want to get it, or until the polish stops taking more drops. I mean, you can tell when it gets to the end and it doesn't want, there's not enough room for any more. So we are just going to keep building this one up. And now I'm going to go in with my toothpick and I'm going to draw like a little flower petal design. And I do wipe my toothpick off on a paper towel in between. I do dip in the middle also to kind of help secure everything. And then I'm going to go from the center out to make these petals into points. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and dip this first nail. And there we go, I've dipped it. Now I realized that I didn't disturb too much of the rest of the design, so I'm going to go in and just clean up just enough area to pull that fingernail out. And then I'm going to use that other corner for another nail. Ha ha! Look, the girl's getting tricky today. Sometimes you can do that. There we go. I'm going to use my tweezers here to pull this latex off of my finger. I'm going to do my snap roll thing. And we're going to get this off so we can do the rest of our cleanup. And I decided to just do accent nails today. I did my thumb the same as these two fingernails. I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and some acetone and do a little bit of cleaning up. I don't have very much to do. The latex really saved me on this. And I have used these two polishes to water marble before, and I was actually going to try to recreate that manicure, but I didn't take the time to go back and watch the video. So it's different this time. Last time it looked like a clematis flower petal, but this time it's just different, and that's okay. I was still real happy with it. I am going in up under that fingernail to get that under my, oh, can't stand that. I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat of Leslie to the nails that I left the solid color. And then I'm going to top it all off with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat again. There we go. We've got a completed manicure. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.